welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Brevi. So for today, I'm going to do a question and answer portion on my channel. This is actually the first time that I'm going to answer some questions. Diba nag-ask ako ng question dun sa giveaway video ko. I'm going to put the links down below for that one. And since malapit na ang draw ng raffle or ng giveaway na yon, I'm going to answer questions. So this Q&A portion will go on 3 sets. Per set, I'm going to answer at least 10 questions so that hindi tayo alam mo yon, hindi tayo ma-full load ng questions. So yeah! So I'm already on my page. Kung nakikita nyo kung tumingin dito, kasi I'm looking on the question, guys. So, if you also noticed, hindi pa ako nagla-like ng mga kinoment nyo or pinost nyo. Basically because gusto ko i-like ko siya pag nasagot ko na siya. So, again, it's going to be 30 question. Hopefully, 30 questions. So, actually, may nagtanong dito. Ito yung pinaka-recent eh. Nagulantang ako sa question niya eh. Kay Kaniel Gascon. May mga tips po ba kayo para sa mga taong gustong mag-ipon? Girl, mali ka na napagtanungan. Wala nga akong pera, wala pa akong ipon. Diyos ko, Lord. I don't advise anything pag hindi ko naman alam yung kung paano din, diba? So, yeah, pasensya na kay Kaniel Gascon. Pasensya na talaga. Okay. Ito sa pinaka-active ko, si Mac Danaline. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko ng name nyo? Kay Mac Danaline. What did you want to be when you were little? Ever since I was a kid, I really want to be an artista. Sa tatlong magkakapatid, kasi tatlo kaming girl, ako talaga yung masyadong porsigido. Lagi ako nasa audition because I want to be a celebrity. And yeah, I auditioned for Little Miss Philippines. Kaya lang, pangit talaga ako nung bata ko. I was para akong boy. So sabi ng mom ko, although hindi naman ako nagalit sa kanya kasi totoo naman talaga. Sabi niya, anak, mag-audition ka. Tapos, arami mong sugat sa mukha kasi arami ko yung mahilig ko magganon. Kasi talaga yung dito ko, magkahiwalay siya. Pangit talaga, as in. Although, sa mga pictures, hindi naman masyado, pero mukha akong lalaki. And arami kong sugat. So, yeah. Tapos, ano ba, basta laman ako ng audition, so, yun ang gusto ko maging. Kaya lang, at the early age na buntis ako, nung time pa namin, hindi pa uso yung mga nabubuntis na gusto mag-artista. Unless itago mo. But, yeah, my dad asked me to hide Ashley, but hindi kaya ko. So, yeah, yun ang dream ko nung bata ko. Kay Jaika F. Actually, marami silang nagtanong nito. How did you start your YouTube channel and who inspired you to start it or to do it? Okay, I started YouTube basically because yeah, may napapanood ako. Mga pinapanood ko nun sila Michelle Fan, si Promise Fan, yeah, si Dopey. Yan, kasi mahilig ako sa mga makeovers, gano'n. Tapos here in the Philippines, sa US muna ha, si Makeup by Ren Ren, That's Heart, lahat ng mga Filipino YouTuber na nasa abroad, I follow. Tapos yun si That's Judy's Life. And then nung pumunta si Judy dito, I came across kay Say Tioco, and then yun na, lagi ko na siyang pinapanood. And then kay Bing Castro, kay Joy Sola, na sobrang amazed ako kasi ang galing niya, di ba, makeup artist. So, yun. Tapos sino pa ba? Yun, si Ann Klutz. Nakita ko yung Divisoria Hall niya. So, wala lang, ganon. But technically, who inspired me to do YouTube? When I was a child, yeah, they inspire me. All the YouTubers inspire me to do it. But siguro, dala na rin ng aking passion. So, yun. Talagang mahilig ako sa harap ng camera. Kahit ano, kahit maglakad lang, kahit may dialogue, kahit kumanta, kahit sumayaw. Gusto kong mag-perform in front of the people. I want to influence people. I want to para mapasaya yung mga tao. Yun talaga yung parang yun talaga yung parang start ko with this. This one is just an outlet when I became depressed way back in 2013. Kasi may plan na ako 2012 pa lang. But again, we are not rich. I don't have equipments to you know, to edit, to film videos. So, I'm really one of the less fortunate kahit nagtatrabaho ako. Kasi nga, yung mom ko nagda-dialysis. So, that's 2 times a week, 3 times a week. And then, ako yung taya before sa food. Lately lang naman ako hindi pinaobliga ng mama ko na magbigay kasi nga, government is taking care of her na. So, yun. So, parang, frustration ko na parang gusto ko ko to be in front of the camera. And, hanggang nagkaroon ako ng mga gamit na para makapag-YouTube ako at makapag-film. Yun. So, now that I have all the required technology to edit, to film, kaya natutuloy-tuloy ko na, guys. Kasi nga, parang ano yan yung sa pelikula ni Bea Alonzo, hindi porket gusto mo, makukuha mo. Sometimes you have to wait for the right time and the right way. At saka hindi yan basta-basta yung parang boom, ganon. You have to work for it. Who inspired me? Aside sa mga YouTubers, siguro yun nga, it's really my passion to be in front of the camera. Ano lang, yan, makapalang mukha, oo. Hindi ko naman kinakaila yun magpapakatotoo lang ako. Ito talaga, natutuwa ako pag nakikita ko. Actually, before, short story. Alam ko, hahaba na naman to, my goodness. Nung nagtitaping ako, my dad used to record yung mga shows na nilalabasan ko. And I'm really pissed off because ayoko nakikita yung sarili ko sa screen. Although gusto ko siyang, tawag dito, gusto kong umarte, gusto kong, alam mo, nasa harap ako ng camera, ayoko napapanood yung sarili ko in front of screen. Parang, kung si Ashley pa nga, pasensya na. Kasi hapon may jeep pa. Magki-cringe ka, ganon. But, nung biglang nawala yung mga shows, tapos pinull out ng ABS-CBN itong mga clips na to, I felt sad because I should have saved those memories on a later day, para sa memories, yon, memories, kung ano pinagagawa mo nung kabataan ka, di ba? Kasi, kwento ka na kwentos, ikaw, nare-refresh mo yung memories mo, pero hindi nakikita ng mga younger generation. Like, for example, magkakaapo ko, gusto ko ipakita sa apo ko kung gaano ko ka-crazy. So, yun lang, for memories, for my expression of self, pangtanggal ng depression, kasi ito rin yung naging way para hindi mawala yung depression ko towards, family-related problems. Isa to sa mga way kung bakit nawala yung depression ko. And I became comfort. Kasi syempre, di ba, pag nagkaroon ka ng problema, like for example, iniwan ka, naghiwalay kayo, of course, your self-confidence will be baksak na baksak. As in, talagang kulang na lang hukayin sa lupa. Pero, with YouTube, ang naitulong niya sa akin is, na-build niya yung confidence ko ulit that, I have so many things to do other than crying and then looking at the, bubong. Kasi nangyari yan sa akin. Hindi ko ikakaila. I came to a depression stage na talagang tinitingnan ko na lang yung bubong. Wala akong magawa sa sarili ko. Parang gusto ko nang magpakamatay na lang kaya ako. Ganon. Pero, nung parang, nag-YouTube ako, tapos may nakakausap ako, yun pa yung support system ng mga ka-YouTuber mo, ay parang, this life is more than this. My provincial life. Hindi ko lyrics doon. Anyways, yun. Paano po kayo nagsimula mag-makeup? Nahirapan po ba kayo? Okay, with makeup, I'm just lucky girl. Kasi, from YouTube, gusto ko talaga maging makeup artist because 12 years old pa lang ako nagme-makeup na ako. Actually, nakalbo ko yung lola ko kasi gusto ko maging beautician Galit yung tita ko. Pero, yun nga, I'm just lucky that unang-una, I have supportive parents. Pangalawa, someone discovered me in YouTube and helped me to do workshop with her for free, and that's the MUM Philippines family. Si Miss Janet Wen. I've attended one of her workshop with my friends sa Alabang. Sabi niya, magaling ka mag-makeup, bakit hindi ka nalang magtrabaho sa makeup artist? Unlike sa, sa YouTube, nasa screen lang, you cannot touch people, and it's very different. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, it's very different doing YouTube makeup than doing a production makeup. So yon, pinag-train niya ako, ilang sessions yon, parang 5 kasi kasama SFX, bridal, lahat. Pinatake niya sa akin, ultimo airbrush. Kaya sobrang laki ng tawag dito, utang na loob ko kay Miss Janet Wen. Kasi sobrang bait niyang tao. Based on my experience, she's really nice. She's really accommodating and sobrang talagang alam niya kung may potential ka. So yun, doon ako. And I remember first, parang production training niya sa akin. Kasi more on production ng MUM, guys eh. It's really not the session itself, it's more of a production. So, yun ang kinaiba niya sa ibang school. Sa school, it's more of the lecture itself, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, on the end, pag may on-call, yun. Pero sa kanila, hindi. Salpak ka agad para matutunan mo how the production works. So, yun. Noong una, kasama ko sila Abigail. Alam ko nag-YouTube siya before, pero hindi siya masyadong active ngayon. At saka si FJ. Tapos, we're doing makeup. Sila nakakadalawa na. Ako, nasa kalahati pala ako ng isang tao. As in talagang, wala. Nakatalala na lang ako. Kasi hair and makeup pa to eh. Nakagaya na lang ako, sabi ni Abby. Kaya sobrang love ko si Abby at saka si FJ. Kasi, talagang, Breb, okay lang yan. Go, push. Talagang pinupush nila ako. Talagang nakatulala na lang ako. Sabi ko, ang bilis niyo. Bakit ako? Hindi ako makatapos ng isa. And then eventually, because of this production training, bumilis na ako. I can handle, pinakamarami kong na-handle sa isang fashion show. Naka 8 to 10 yata ako. That's with hair. Pero yung simple hair lang, hindi naman yung bonggang-bonggang hair. So yun. And then afterwards, since bakit ako nag-serious ulit sa YouTube? Basically because marami ng makeup artist. And again, yung pinaka-ano ko is, di ba, I want to be in front of the camera. This is like the production, kaya nga rin ako nag-mascom eh. Parang na-apply ko lang dito yung kung ano yung napag-aralan ko, ano ba talaga ako as a person. So yeah, I feel that YouTube completes me. Makabugot. So yun lang. Medyo baliw lang talaga po ako. So, yay! Thank you so much, guys, mga nagtanong ha. Someone asked me here, si Sharma May Angeles. Pasensya na, hindi ko nasabi yata yung iba. Pagbigyan nyo na ako. Kasi daldal ko na naman eh. Ganito talaga ako, guys. Kahit sa personal. Okay. Ang saya lang ng buhay and I feel it sa iyong mga vlogs. Paano mo napapanatiling masaya sa bawat vlogs na iyong ginagawa? Thank you. I don't film when I'm not okay. Because, ang ko lang, perception ko sa tao, I'm here to inspire. Not, give them negative thoughts. Parang, if I have a problem, it's not their problem. Ganun lang yun. Parang, kaya minsan, I'm not afraid na tumigil. Kung wala lang rin ako maibibigay na positive energy sa inyo, guys. Because, like others, hindi ko masasabing lahat kasi yung may iba, wala namang kiber kung may negative sa paligid. Ako, I consider myself as a sponge. If there's a negative entity beside me or within my sphere, I tend to be negative. And I need to have a cleansing ritual with that. Kasi, sometimes people are really insensitive enough and they focus on their self. Parang wala silang pakialam. Negative na yung nararamdaman nila. Wala silang pakialam na i-spread ito sa ibang tao. Not understanding that some people are sponges. So, yun lang. Kaya siguro, wala, energy. Kailangan lagi mo isipin, no. You have to move on, girl. Hindi habang buhay, eto yun. Hindi naman perfect ang life ko, Diyos ko. Ay nako, kung alam nyo lang. Pero, you have to think positive and remove all the negative energy in your life. Yun lang yun. Thank you so much, Sharma. That's very personal, but I wanna share it to you guys. So, I'm not sure kung nakailang question na ako, guys. If hindi ako nakasampo, I'll let you know. So, yun, guys. I'm not sure if it's 10, but it's already 3:30 and I have to run to go to UST kasi susunduin ko na yung mga kids. And yeah, I hope you do like it and nakilala nyo ako ng gusto at sana hindi kayo natiyo sa akin dahil talagang siguro ito yung natural na ako. not all positive, but also negative. So, I'm trying to be as positive as I can. Kasi nga, in life, throw the negativity. Ganun lang. So yan guys, I hope you enjoy this question and answer portion on my channel. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. And let me know what you want to see next on my channel, ha? Kasi talaga nag-enjoy ako every time na merong nagko-comment sa aking channel. Ibig sabihin may nanonood pag may nagko-comment. Thank you so much, guys! Woo! Thank you so much, and yeah, see you on my next video.